welcome fellow astronauts. This is your Commander Grace speaking with my partner Commander Matt. We are in outer space and we are going to be teaching you how to be physical while in outer space, because when you're in outer space you still need to be strong and physically active and ready for anything that space has to throw at you. Alright, my fellow astronauts, we'll be taking a trip to planet XO-GEO. While our rocket is warming up, we are also going to warm up. So we're going to first start by stretching all the way up and then stretching all the way down. And now we're going to stretch to the side and then stretch to the other side. And then we're going to do 10 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. We are now warmed up and our rocket is ready to go. We can't forget to put our spacesuits on, so we're going to zip up our jacket, zip up our pants, zip, and then put on our helmets. Now that we have our spacesuits on, we're going to climb up the ladder and find our seats. My partner Matt will go first. Now, we need to take a seat and strap up our seatbelts for takeoff. Are we ready? So we're blasting off in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Now that we've made it to space, we can take off our seatbelts and float freely because there's no gravity holding us down in space. I can float forwards, I can even go backwards, to the side, to the other side, I can float all the way down, and I can even float all the way up to touch the ceiling. Oh no, there's a meteor shower coming. We all need to get back in our seats and put on our straps. Alright, hold on, here it comes. Whew. Meteor shower is done, and you can now see our planet XO-GEO outside the window. Can you tell me what color it is? All right, okay, we're going in for the landing. 3, 2, 1. Nice, we have finally made it to our destination. Space Cadet Matt is now going to take over and take us on our adventure on planet XO-GEO.
Since the air isn't the same on Earth, we have to take off our space helmet and put on our special oxygen breathing mask.
Oh no, the door's jammed shut. It must have been hit by the meteor shower. Let's see if we can get it open. On the count of 3, we'll push. 1, 2, 3, push. Oh no, it didn't open. It must be really jammed shut. Let's see if we can get more muscle into this push. On the count of 3 again. 1, 2, 3, push. It still won't open. Let's see if we can get more muscle.
Now that we are outside XO-GEO, there is a lot more gravity than there is on Earth. So all the weight is going to pull us down, 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 and it's going to pull us all the way up, more into space. Are all of you strong enough to lift your hands? What about your feet? It's even hard to walk on the planet XO-GEO. Wait, I just remembered. I have some anti-gravity powder in my pocket. Let's sprinkle it on us. Now we are so light that we're just going to float in the air. I think I used a double dosage. Oh no. Now that we are so light, we can do a light floating dance. Can you still dance while you're heavy? Now that we're at the space lab, we can walk normally like we did on Earth.
Now that we're back inside, we can take off our space mask and helmets, and we now have to find our beds. Let's ask the computer where we have to go. Alright, the directions say we first need to take 10 steps forward. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is next, Matt?
Now we have to take 5 steps to our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And now we have to go backwards 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Now we have to take forward 3 more steps.
1, 2, and 3. There are our beds. Alright, now that we've made it back to our beds, let's lie down.
But before that, our computer has one more message for us. What does it say, Grace?
It says, welcome to ExoGeo Earthlings.